Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to sharpen your footage in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my clip right here that I want to sharpen, and what you want to do is go over to the Colors tab, and then here you click on this sign, on the blur sign. Then we want to handle the radius. If you just put it up, as you can see, it gets like this, but we want to drag it down. If we drag it down like all the way, you can see it's very sharp, but I don't actually like it. So let's say we go to 40. Don't do too much with the sharpen tool because then it looks awkward. Okay, now everything here looks sharpened. As you can see, if you click your node, if you don't see the nodes, just click on the top right. If you click it, that's the before clip, if it's black, and then you click it again, and that's how it looks right now. Okay, but now let's say we only want the ship here, the shipwreck, to be sharpened. What you want to do for this is go here on the Windows tab, and then we select this form, and then we drag it around on top of the shipwreck, like this, adjust it. Okay. Really quick, like that. Perfect. You can also here, you can turn it a bit like this. Nice. Okay, I think that's good. Then what you want to do is click here, the highlight tab, and then you can click here on off, and now you can see the sharpened image. Okay, just click the highlight tab again. And now what you want to do, because as you can see here, the video moves, okay? So now as you can see, it isn't sharp anymore. So what is very important with this is you click down to the tracker tool. Okay, now what's important here is you bring this all the way to the left, and then don't go to clip, but click on frame. Then it centers on the ship, and then just let it play. And now, as you can see, it moves with the ship. Okay, that was a little hack on how to sharpen your footage in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.